Hi, we're going to do some dragon Qigong today, okay? So just a reminder, get a nice relaxed stance here, shoulder width apart, roll your shoulders back, little space between your armpits here, and a slight pelvic tilt, and please bend your knees, okay? First movement is called dragon flies in the sky and swims in the sea, though my teacher, he used to call it deliver the pizza, okay? And you're about to see why. So your arms can kind of come up here, like you have a little fist here. So I'm going to start on the left side, my left, okay? So I'm going to breathe in and let my arm go up into the sky, rotating, and then coming down, back down. Okay, now I'm going to switch arms, so we breathe in as we go up. Exhale as we go down. And we just kind of track the arm and hand as we go up. We kind of look at what we're doing, okay? It's coming up. And it's like you can use that fun visualization, like you're holding a pizza here, and you're rotating it, trying to keep that pie from falling. Don't let it fall, but don't hurt yourself, Modify the movement if you need to, and just kind of switch. Like the dragon's flying in the sky, and it's coming back down, and it's swimming in the sea, and we just rotate. Remember to breathe as you do this, So we're kind of working our sides here, which is associated with the liver in Chinese traditions here, liver and gallbladder channels. You're good for stress relief, tension, things like that. If you're holding like a lot of frustration or anger, this movement might be a good one for you here. Okay. So we can take this movement and we can change it up a little bit here. So this one arm kind of goes back here, and this arm still kind of goes forward, up in the sky. Exhaling as we come down. And as this comes down, we kind of tuck it behind us and we let the other hand go forward. And it's like we're serving, it's going up. And we switch arms. And here we get kind of, it kind of helps our waist. And so this is coming down and this one is going forward here. So we're changing up. We're breathing in as we go up and exhaling as we go down. So we're getting kind of a massage on our waist as we do it as well. On the belt channel, as they say, or the girding vessel. Chinese medicine, also known as the Dai channel. And we just kind of switch. You can speed it up or slow it down if you need to. That's fine. You don't want to go too fast with this, You can play with your center line a little bit. Don't lose your balance, but if you need to, in order to keep your hand up, you can kind of shift your position a little bit, move your legs out if you need to in order to keep your balance, and don't tweak your knees too much, okay? Another variation you can do is if you went back to starting position here, you can actually do like a double dragon here. So they come up, so you breathe in. It's like you got two pizzas. They're going up and down and around. You come back up, exhale, so you breathe in. And come back down. So your head is just kind of forward as you do this. You could look up if you needed to. I'm just going to keep mine straight on right now. So you can concentrate. Your little double dragon going here. Dragon flies in the sky, swims in the sea. You can also say dragon swims in the sea, flies in the sky. Same difference. And you're kind of working, the channels of the arms and your side body a little bit as you do this. Come down. Okay, yeah, so that's the dragon flies in the sky and swims in the sea.